Hello everybody and welcome to my next Slayer guide. So as you all saw for the first video we did Element Dragons, and this time around we are doing Cressus Automatons. To do Cressus Automatons you need to complete the World Wakes quest. You need 67 Slayer. Plenty of Slayer Masters can assign them: Sumona, Duradel, Coradal or Morphan. And this task is quite good actually, because most of the time you don't get a lot of them assigned. You see, 81 this time, and basically you don't need any food at all if you are killing them the way you'll see in this video. For the setup, of course, tier 70 armor, garb, gown, gloves and boots of subjugation, chaotic staff, quest rewards, arm surgeon's ring, dragon rider amulet. For added magic accuracy and damage we have runic accuracy aura from Someone's Store, superior screenshot of the elements from ports, and tier 1 quiver. Number 4 for prayer bonus. This is not really needed but a nice boost. In my inventory we have some fire runes, some air runes, because I will be using fire surge. You can use air surge, so you don't waste any fire runes. I just like and usually use fire surge because it's the most powerful level 95 spell. A 6-stage circuit for teleport to automatons, herbicide and seedicide, because they drop a lot of herbs and seeds. Most of them I don't want to pick up, so it saves some time. Of course, charming in for charms. They don't drop a lot of charms, but it's here nevertheless. Also, one thing I didn't mention is Tokarkal Mage, and that is the cape you get from completing Fight Kiln using mostly magic. So now, how to get there? It's really easy. You just click teleport on your 6-stage circuit, you click Godix's Shrine, and you click teleport on Gatixian High Druid. The rest of the chambers are dangerous if you wish to enter, of course. And now we are here. So in this chamber you have 3 different automatons. You have automaton guardians, which will be killing because they are weak to magic. On the right side you also have automaton generators, which are weak to range. And on the left side you have automaton tracers, which are weak to melee. I can't really recommend killing tracers. You can if you won't kill generators, but basically you want to kill guardians. Why guardians? Because they have the most expensive drop. I didn't get the drop from them so far. I have killed 1275 automatons. Yeah, I didn't get static gloves. Static gloves are currently worth 5.5 million, so I mean, if it happens, it happens. I did get a pet, a Crashbot. And now how to kill them. Basically you can pretty much use no food at all, because you can safe spot them. So the spot I like to use is this one between these 2 pillars, just on the southwest side of the chamber. Basically you stand here, and you start killing guardian behind this pillar. So it's like we can stand on the other side and kill this one. You see. As automaton guardians attack with melee, he can't attack you from behind the pillar, so you just do it like this. You switch sides and you attack one, and you just wait until you kill him. As you also see, they go down really fast with a couple of abilities. I always use Asphyxiate when it's off cooldown. It's my favorite magical ability. I use Tuska's Wrath when I can, and basically that's it. I mean, pretty much straightforward, even more so than Adamant Dragons, because you don't have to worry about players, you don't have to worry about food, super anti-fires, anything like that. You just kill them and they drop. So sometimes they can come behind the pillar and attack you. When that happens, you want to kill them pretty fast, because they have a special attack in which they crush the earth in front of them, and if that attack hits you, it can hit you pretty high, so like 1.5 or 2k at a time. So that's mainly the only thing that you have to worry during this task. And that's pretty much it. I mean, straightforward task, as I said. You don't need much stuff, you don't need an awesome equipment to kill them, and they go down pretty quickly. So yeah, that's my second guide, my second video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want. I would love to get more people following me, because I really enjoy Slayer, and I'm always sad when someone says that they're not doing Slayer because I know they don't have a noxious weapon or high-end gear, because it really isn't necessary. You can and will be doing this and finishing the tasks in tier 70 armor, in tier 8 with tier 80 weaponry. It's basically the same, just takes a little longer. That's it for this video, so enjoy.